This is the baby of the bunch. Say hi, Kai. He's putting in 3 teaspoons of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. You got it? Good job. Stir it, mix it a little bit. Not wild, not wild. Slowly. Okay.
Yeah.
You see? Hold on. Look what you're doing. One egg. Blend it in. Let's do one more. Okay. You got it?
Let's get this help.
What? Say cake mix. Cake. Say I'm making cake.
I'm making cake.
Say see, point to it.
See?
Yeah. This is a real slow process. You got to have time and you gotta watch. It takes about an hour or more. This is how it's looking after 30 minutes, maybe 30 more so. This is how it's looking after about 30 minutes. It's still a little watery, but we'll come back in another 30. Okay, we're at another 30 minutes, and as you can see, it's starting to thicken a little bit. So the color is coming too. You can see that. You all excuse the loud TV in the background. My husband has basketball game on. Right, I'm adding in a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna let it cook a few more minutes.
One spot, America's